Hi, I'm Jill Beals, the instructor for Math 240, Statistical Procedures, the summer online course. I'm looking forward to our next 8 weeks together. I've taught statistics at George Fox for several years now, and this is my second time through teaching it online. So I want to highlight some of the things that you'll want to familiarize yourself with before our course starts on June 3rd. If you take a look at Foxtail, there's a checklist for you to go through. There's a lot of things on the checklist. It might seem a little overwhelming, but once you get those set up and once we go through the first couple weeks, it'll start to seem routine because we follow the same pattern each week. So like I said, start with Foxtail, check out that list of things to complete. First of all is the syllabus, which goes into detail on course objectives, the course requirements, what you're going to be graded on, all the different components that you need to have in place before the course starts. I'm going to highlight those right now so you can look for those when you go through the syllabus. Foxtail is your home base. It is the place that has links to all of the resources you will need for the entire course. Videos, notes, the textbook, the place to upload paper assignments, the place to complete the online assignments. There is also links for signing up for different things over the course of the semester, which brings me to a unique component of the online course this semester. Now, as you know, the George Fox motto is to be known and to know and be known. And to put that into place, we are going to have 2 video call check-ins over the course of the semester, or course of the summer, our 8 weeks together. Those are going to happen at the end of week 2 and the end of week 6. And you'll have a chance to sign up for those in advance. They will be group calls through Zoom. And each one of you will have an opportunity to share with us one of the assignment problems that we have covered up to that point in the class. Now, you're not going to know what an assignment problem that is until we get to that call, but it'll be something that you have already completed on the assignment. Okay, so that's something to look for in week 2 and week 6. You're going to sign up for a time. I will put you together in small groups for those calls when the time comes. Another thing that you'll need to sign up for along the way is time and day to take the 2 exams. Exams are week 4 and week 8. For both of those, there will be practice exams and plenty of chance for review. And I will have a lot more details about that as we get closer to those exams. Okay. A couple other things that are just a little bit unique. There is an online textbook for this course. You can look at it online. You can download it as a PDF. You can print it out if you want. So lots of options as far as the textbook. Each week there will be reading from the textbooks. You'll want to get access to that right away. Now, associated with the textbook, there's an online assignment interface that you will do short assignments after you do the reading. And then the other piece is the paper and pencil assignments that you will do on your own paper. You will scan those and then upload those to a special online grading tool that makes it really easy for me to grade those assignments. All of the links and ways to sign up for those are on Foxtail. So this is just kind of one way to let you know that that's something that you're going to need to look for and sign up for. If you go to Foxtail, it has all of the links that you need right there for it. Now, Foxtail also has the schedule that we will follow each week. So each week kind of follows the same pattern. It's split up into 2 segments, part 1, part 2. Part 1 will go from Sunday through Wednesday, and there will be reading, notes, lecture, web assign, and assignment for part 1. Sunday through Wednesday, and then same list of things for part 2 for each week, going from Thursday to Sunday. And we follow that pattern for all of the 8 weeks. A little bit different for the end of week 4 and end of week 8 when we have the exams. Okay, so as we go through the semester, it'll really become routine, I am sure. All right, now I know you have a lot of other things going on this summer. Maybe you're working, hanging out with family and friends, maybe some travel. And keep me in the loop. If there's times when you are traveling and your regular routine is a little bit different, and if things time-wise need to be adjusted a little bit here or there, and we can accommodate that. And also I wanted to mention that I have some travel that I am doing as well, and I will always make sure that I have available access to Wi-Fi so I can keep in contact with you if you have questions. Now, that brings me to one other thing that I wanted to talk about from Foxtail, is that now you're always welcome to send me an email if you have questions, and I will respond as soon as possible. Another way that you can interact with me and those others that are taking the class is our group discussion forum on Foxtail. So if you have a question, you can put it on that group discussion forum. There's a good chance someone else has the same question, and maybe they have found an answer to it and they can respond to you. Or it could be that someone else knows better how to respond to that than even I can, since you are looking at this from the user point of view and I am coming from the setup point of view. Anyway, that gives you access to each other as far as asking questions, making comments, and then responding to each other. Okay, so that's my short intro video. Again, please email if you have any questions. Check out Foxtail and all of the resources that are linked to our Foxtail site. All right, I will check in again soon. Hope you're having a great start to your summer, and I will say goodbye for now.